My ambition was larger than my wallet. I bet you've been there before. The pains, I had an HVAC company where we were growing at a good rate, but it wasn't what I really wanted. And the only way you can grow is you have to hire more estimators, more people. And now all that was is more cost. And every time I brought on people, I knew I was going to go broke. It was going to be tight. I had to go do more jobs. And in HVAC, you don't get paid right away on construction jobs. It might take you 30, 60, 90 days before you finally make your first dollar on the job. And I could see the writing on the wall. I only had a couple months more, and I was going to be out of cash for payroll. I needed to make a drastic change quickly.